Hi friends, greetings! In today's problem sums video tutorial, we discuss a commonly tested word problem, which is the repeated identity type questions, okay? But before that, I have a quote to share with you. Action is the key to all success. Alright, now to have a dream, to have a goal is fantastic. That is a great first step to have. But what matters is the efforts that we put in. Is it consistent? Alright, or is it last minute, like, okay, just one day before the test, I start to revise every single thing. I become so motivated because there's so many things I don't know. Or are we consistent? Are we regular in our efforts? Okay, so remember this, if we want to achieve our dreams, if we want to help others in future, and also help our family as well, we need to put in the efforts. Okay, that's why over here it says, action is the key to all success, okay? Now let's discuss this repeated identity question. Actually, this is from Henry Park Primary School, 2019 Primary 5 end of year examination. Mrs. Ramesh paid $172.85 for a vase and 20 stalks. Alright, so for Mrs. Ramesh, put it R here, she bought a vase here and 20 stalks of roses. Wow, that's a lot of roses, huh? Okay, and then over here is a vase. And because of this purchase, she had to pay money. Okay, some money. How much is it? $172.85. Mrs. Tan, on the other hand, Mrs. Tan paid $457.85 for a similar vase and 58 stalks of roses. So of course we will expect Mrs. Tan's cost to be higher, okay? So that's why it's $457.85. What was the cost of one such vase? Now to do this, we need to identify what is being mentioned again, or what is being purchased again. And that item is known as the repeated identity. It can be a person's weight or mass. It can be an object like this, vase. Okay, so that forms a repeated identity. So for Mrs. Tan, let me draw a model for her as well. So for Mrs. Tan, same vase. So of course, same vase means same cost. Same cost means same model. Okay, so this is the vase for Mrs. Tan. And for her, the roses is longer. Okay, estimated, this is about how many roses? 58 roses. Okay, and the cost will be higher as well, of course. Okay, this will be 457.85. Okay, so the repeated identity, the vase, is actually something that we can remove it away. In fact, just by drawing this model, we will know that the difference between their models is this section here. Okay, and this section represents the difference in the number of roses. And we can also find the cost as well of these roses. So let's do that first. 58 minus 20, we will get 38 roses. Now the cost of 38 roses, we can find that. 38 roses. 457.85, take away 172.85. 285. That is the cost of 38 roses. We proceed to find the cost of one rose. Okay, again, if you're not sure, why is it divide? Right? If you're not sure, ask yourself, how do you go from 38 to 1? We actually have to divide by 38. So it's either divide or times always, okay? So in this case, 38 divided by 38 is 1. So I do the same thing here. That's why I divided this by 38, okay? So this will be equals to 285 divide by 38, $7.50 for a stalk of rose. Wow, quite an expensive rose, huh? Question is, what is the cost of the vase? Now we can do that if we are able to find this 20 roses or 58 roses. So once we know this section, right, we take 172.85 minus the 20 roses, we can find one vase already. So next step, we find 20 roses. $7.50 times 20, $150. Okay, so this section here in blue is $150. We can find the vase, 172.85 minus 150. Okay, answer $22.85. Final answer for this question. You can even use Mrs. Tan's model to check, okay, whether it's really 22.85. Okay, so let's do a quick check. So one rose is $7.50, right? So times 58. This section here for Mrs. Tan will be 435. Okay, so 435 minus 457.85 minus 435. 22.85, which is there. Okay, exactly the same. So repeated identity, useful concept, all right, that we got to know. So go ahead, try this question out again, and remember, my friends, consistent efforts, action is the key to all success. Thank you very much.